Hi, my name is Mayowa. Are you tired of dealing with outdated or malfunctioning security solutions at your facility? Do you need support and maintenance for your existing security solutions? Maybe your organization has no security solutions at all, but you are willing to secure your facility. Whatever your needs may be, Securetech Nigeria has got you covered. We are a market leader in the security and biometric solutions sector, with a proven track record of providing effective security solutions to businesses across various industries. We offer a range of security solutions that can help you enhance the safety and security of your facility. Our solution includes access control systems, CCTV surveillance systems, boom barriers, and much more. We have worked with organizations across all sectors: UBA Bank, GTCO, also known as GT Bank, Framework Construction, FIRS, Grade School, Starfit School, Nigeria Stock Exchange, Earpiece, Just Right Stores, Ogma Stores, and so many more. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact Securetech Nigeria today to get the best security solutions for your facility. Whether you need support and maintenance for your existing equipment or you want to install a new security solutions, we have got you covered.